that. So I will open the same two programs again, and I will continue in the same part, because I have a menu over there in one program and I have function in the other. So in functions file, I have written function to add records to the table MySQL through Python. Today we will do editing or updating records from the table using Python. These are my two programs, main PROG, which has the menu inside it. So for that menu, I completed add option. Now I'm going to take up the update option, the second option. So for that, I need to use a function called as mupdate. So I will open the other program also. Both the programs should be open simultaneously when we are writing code for anything. So that was one function. Now I'm going to create another function here, def mupdate, opening bracket, closing bracket, and colon. Why do we give colon here? Colon indicates that we have certain statements below it which belongs to this function called as mupdate, right? Colon here means same as when we give colon in if, same as when we give colon in for. हम for statement में colon देते हैं, तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? There are certain statements that will follow that for statements after the colon on the next line. Okay, which means for has a body. So again I will have the same statement, md is equal to MySQL. So to cut short my typing process, what I will do is I'll just cut and paste the statements, two statements that I need. Everybody remembers the statement na? MD is just a variable. I can use the same variable again, because madd function was a separate part of this particular project. And now what I'm about to write, I'm about to write code for mupdate. So mupdate and madd are two separate things, two separate objects that I'm creating. Actually they're not objects, they're modules, but any variable that I have in the function madd cannot be used in mupdate, and any variable I use in mupdate cannot be used in madd. I cannot go in madd and say print x I have declared in mupdate. So exchanging variables in functions can be done, but there is a certain process कि हम कहीं पे उसको public declare करें या static declare करें या global declare करें, whatever language you understand. इसके पहले static global कभी सुना होगा तो आपको समझ में आएगा. So I'm going to have these two variables, md, which is going to set up the connection through mysql.connector library, which has a function .connect, and host is equal to localhost because my data is in the same computer. The user is root, the password is 123, and the database that I'm going to use is 12D2122. Okay? Then after setting up the connection, a cursor is created. A cursor acts as the bridge between Python and MySQL. So then I need to know the variables which I'm going to change. So I can't just use only one single variable here. I will have to take all the variables that I had in when I was about to add records to the table in the previous module. So what I'm going to do is, again I'm going to take mtid, mtname, mtsal and mgender, and I'm going to ask the user what is the teacher ID that I want to edit, what is the name of the teacher that I want to change, what is the salary of the teacher that I want to increase or decrease, and what is the gender of the teacher. Now no doubt I am going to use the teacher ID which is already existing in the table. टीचर आईडी जो ऑलरेडी है उसी को तो हम अपडेट या एडिट कर सकते हैं, है ना, उसी को तो हम अपडेट या एडिट कर सकते हैं। जो चीज उसमें है नहीं उसको अपडेट या एडिट नहीं कर सकते, राइट? So I'm going to update or edit only that teacher ID which is already there. So these are the 4 variables. Now I need Q and V equal to, what is the statement that we use in MySQL to update a record? Can anybody tell me? Am I audible first of all?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you people understanding what we are doing? Are you people? I think nobody is sitting there. I'm just talking to myself. I'm not talking to, except for 1 or 2 people, others are not paying attention. Yes, Ananya, you're there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
You're understanding what I'm doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you try out the add records part?
No.
No. Why you were not able to install or what?
Ma'am, I tried to install Matplotlib, but I wasn't able to do that. But I'll do it.
Try it out, beta, or I'll give you one day, everybody, those who want to install, I'll give you one day where I will actually come and access your laptops. I can do that through TeamViewer or AnyDesk, but then you will have to install it on your, I'll do it in AnyDesk. Installing AnyDesk is more easier for you people. अगर किसी को भी प्रॉब्लम है, प्लीज डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम नाउ, यू गॉट गुड एम्पल टाइम टू डू योर प्रोजेक्ट, सो प्लीज इंस्टॉल इट एंड स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन इट, ठीक है? जो बताए जा रही हूँ वो करना स्टार्ट करो। अगर मतलब कोई भी चीज पहली बार देखोगे, अभी देखोगे और अभी करके देखोगे ना, तो यू विल बी एबल टू डू इट प्रॉपरली। इफ आई सी इट नाउ एंड आफ्टर 10 days आई थिंक ऑफ डूइंग इट, तो उसमें से कुछ चीजें यू कैन ट्राई इट फॉर ऑन एनीथिंग, लाइक आई लाइक लुकिंग एट रेसिपीज ऑन द इंटरनेट, फिर उनको देख देख के मुझे ऐसा लगता है हाँ मैं भी इसको पकाती हूँ, ठीक है? अब मैंने आज देखी और आज ही उस चीज को पकाया तो इट विल टर्न आउट बेटर, बट इफ आई सी इट टुडे एंड आफ्टर 10-15 days आई डिसाइड टू डू इट, आई स्टार्ट लुकिंग फॉर द इंग्रेडिएंट्स जमा करे और 10 दिन लग गए मुझे और फिर मैं उस चीज को पकाने बैठ गई, तो इट डजंट टर्न आउट द वे आई विश टू हैव इट, गेट इट डन। सो प्लीज ऐसे नहीं करो। आपकी सिर्फ 2 ही क्लासेस हो रही है दिन भर में। आई नो देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स, किसी के घर में कोई बीमार है, कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम चल रही है, लेकिन टेक आउट टाइम फॉर योरसेल्फ टू। और किसी को नहीं इंस्टॉल करने आ रहा है तो प्लीज आई विल गिव यू 1 day जिसमें मैं आपके लैपटॉप को एक्सेस करके इंस्टॉल कर दूंगी। इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, but please do it. Now what? Tell me the command that I use to edit record. I'm going to use to edit records. In
Update
MySQL, yeah, update statement. But how do I use it? Update, because in the exam, if I just write update without the rest of the statements, nobody is going to give me marks for that. Okay, so you should know the whole statement. Update
Table teachers.
teacher. Now in update statement, we don't have the word table, right? Because it comes under the category of DML, data manipulation language. So update teacher,
Then
set. What do I set? Now when we update a record, we need to keep in our mind that we cannot edit the primary key. Which is the primary key here?
ID.
TID. TID is the primary key which I cannot edit. Okay, so I need to keep it in mind that I am not going to set or change the value of TID ever. So the next thing that I will specify here is T name, set T name is equal to MT name, comma, the third column. कौन आ रहा है? इतनी जल्दी आने की जरूरत क्या है? आराम करो घर में. पार्थ, आने की जरूरत नहीं थी बेटा. Yes. T name is done. T sal is equal to MT sal, comma, and the third thing is gender. T gender is equal to M gender. MT gender नहीं M gender. यहाँ पे मैंने M gender दिया है. तो अब अगर मैं मेरा स्टेटमेंट यहीं पे टर्मिनेट करती हूँ, तो what will happen in MySQL? If my yes
Name, T talent, and gender will be
uh,
in MySQL. T name, T talent, T gender will get changed.
yeah, it will get changed. That is okay, but a very negative thing will take place. A thing that should not happen in a table will happen. What will happen if I terminate my statement here? If I have 100 records in the table, all the 100 records will get replaced with this data, right? Which should not happen. So I need to say where TID is equal to MTID. Okay? Now this is my actual statement, but what happens here is if I directly use the variables here, will they work? Will they work? हमने insert में ऊपर insert दिख रहा है. How did we take care of inserting records? We used %s. So what should I change here so that I can change the data? Think a little bit and let me know. Don't waste time. What changes do I need to make to the statement so that everything works properly? I think people are not paying attention. Could Socha, the girls who actually pay attention in the class. I can't use direct variables here. So in the insert statement, I used V. V में मैंने सारा डेटा अलग से दिया था. So I will say percentage is here, comma. Then here also I'll say percentage is. Here also I'll say percentage is. I hope this is percentage sign. And here also I'll say percentage is. This is my statement. And for V, I need to give the values in the same sequence. So first I'll give MP name, comma, MP sal, the sequence in which I'm using it in the query, MP sal, M gender, and finally MPID. Bracket complete here. I need to give an opening bracket there also. And now I will execute the statement. MC dot execute Q comma V. And what do I need to do? I need to say MD dot commit. So I'll save this program. I will go to the other program because this is just a function. I cannot execute this directly. I'll have to execute it through the main program. So I will execute this program. Okay, now I'm going to use the second option, update records. So 2, it is asking for teacher ID. Okay, I don't know what data I have because whatever is existing, only that I am supposed to edit. Select start from tables. Not tables, what is teacher? Sorry.
Table
Teacher.
is
So I have Sujata ma'am's record here. I will change it. One, enter. Teacher's name. The name over there is Sujata Sharma. So I'll change her name. I'll make it just Sujata. I will increase her salary by 10,000. I'll make it 70. And she's female. I'll keep it female. Enter. It has come out. Now let's see whether it got changed over in MySQL. So what will I do? Select star from teacher. Has it changed? TID is 1. Sujata, from Sujata Sharma, it has come to Sujata. Earlier it was 60,000, now it is 70,000. Female. The record got changed. For example, we will see Gitika ma'am.